Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show recycling bin folder on your file explorer folder, and we can display it easily. And there is a one more features that you can use and make it quick access. Okay, so I will show you what you can do. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, here we are in my I'm on my file explorer. Okay, so here you can see the all folders. We have the recycling bin. Okay, if I pin it in top so I can easily access it. So I just unpin it to show you how you can do this. Okay, so if you don't see recycling bin on your file explorer side panel, just go to the side panel, just right click on the blank area, just right click on blank area and click on that show all folders. Now if you scroll down, you can see this recycling bin folder here. Okay, so you can easily use this. If you want to make it quick access, just right click on it and make it quick access, like pin to quick access. Now it will be pin here in quick access, and you can, when you open this for file explorer again, you can see this recycling bin at your right side. Okay, so from here you can also access this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.